Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Stock with Khan, and in today's video I'm gonna be talking about another EV related hard stock that I see a lot of potential in particularly on the longer term. So stick around because I think you're gonna like today's video as well. So the stock I want to talk about is called Electric Last Mile Solution. This stock, in my opinion, just like I mentioned, has a lot of potential on the longer term. This is last mile company, which so in a product's production, any product that is designed or shaped in the last, so from the warehouse to the customer proof, the last delivery step is taken in the last mile company, or so to say. It's like a warehouse where at the end the product is shaped and given to the customer. So this company is basically associated with shaping the EVs at the end and giving it away so that it's available for the customers. It's a company that has a main basic function in the supply chain management of EV sector, and that's why it's, in my opinion, on the longer term, it's going to be one of the hardest stock. This stock in the tip rank also is considered one of the strong buy, and the analysts see this stock being a stock of 15.40 with an upside potential of 72% from its current price, that is 8.96. And that for me is very intriguing. Anytime I see a stock worth or let's say having a potential of 20% or beyond, I see this stock as a strong buy, because this for me is very interesting that the Wall Street top analysts like Jeffries are considering and putting so much let's say demonstrating it in a way that they see this as a very strong buy. And that for me is interesting, and I'm always looking for stocks like that. That's why I want to bring this to you guys. So let's go through this article in which the tip ranks top analysts have described this stock being a strong buy and why they see this stock as a strong buy. They have mentioned this in detail. So let's go right into this article. So in the article, in the beginning of the article, they are saying, by the way, in this article, this stock was on top of the other stocks. So they were describing several stocks. There are three top stocks, three strong buy stocks, and this is the first stock they want to talk about. It's always the hardest stock that they want to talk about. So they're talking, so to say, mentioning that in the beginning, we will start in the automotive industry, specifically in the electric vehicle segment. EVs aren't new. They have been announced. They have been around since automobiles were invented in the 19th century. They are on the edge of an industrial breakout now. However, due to confluence of political pressure that favors the green economy and improved battery technology that makes EVs practical in ways they have never been before, modern EVs can reach ordinary highway speeds with a range of 100 to 300 miles. That is very interesting. EVs are evolving. They are the future. On a single charge, and while still expensive, prices are coming down, putting them in reach of the masses. Very interesting. China, by the way, has spoken of having 90% of their cars being EV cars by end of 2030. And America, Biden has spoken of having 500,000 EV charging stations by end of 2025. Tells you that EVs are the future, and that's why I'm massively bullish on. I am invested so much in these EV sector related stocks like Li, Xpeng, Neo, Tesla. Massively invested in these stocks because I see so much potential on the long term in these stocks. And when I read articles of such kind from the top analysts from Wall Street, it makes me even more bullish. So let's go through this further. The article is saying Electric Last Mile, based in Troy, Michigan, near the heart of Detroit's historic automotive industry, is an EV company developing a customizable vehicle and boasts a 775,000 square foot assembly plant in Indiana that at full capacity will be able to produce 100,000 EVs annually. That is massive. That is so good for this company. This company will at that point obviously will be profitable, and will be one of the hardest stocks. Like look at Tesla, look at NIO, these stocks. Tesla obviously is profitable now, but NIO still is such a hard stock, and everybody is looking into the dip that is associated with these stocks and are jumping at it. The company is aiming at the commercial market in urban areas with the Deliver van in pre-order now and a Class 1 commercial light truck under development. These vehicles are aimed at the last mile, the final leg of the delivery chain in transport networks. Further, I'm gonna go through this. The article is quite long, but I'm gonna go through at the end why. So here, I will read this for you, but overall the message is very clear that the company is massive. It's the future. EVs in general are the future, and that's why the article has ranked this stock in the view of TipRank analysts as a strong buy. Further, it's been written that the analysts continued ELMs will be the first company to address these markets with a vehicle already at cost parity with ICE vehicles and lower total cost of ownership. Assuming ELMs can successfully launch its vehicles as planned, we believe it can likely sell out its production for the next several years. To this end, Folkmans, this is obviously also the analyst from the TipRank, rates ELMS buy along with an $18 price target. That's even higher than the average top analyst TipRank price target. The analyst therefore expects the stock to climb 116% over the coming months, and obviously the rest is also the same story that I described to you guys. So I'm highly bullish on ELMS. Let's go to the Yahoo Finance analysts. What are their opinions? So the average opinion, obviously from the analysts of Yahoo Finance, they are rating this as 1.7 strong buy, and obviously agreeing with the TipRank that this stock is a strong buy from its current price. And I showed this to you guys here. So I'm highly bullish on electric last mile solution. This stock 1 year ago was trading around about, you can see it here, from $8 to almost $15-16. Right now it's sitting at a very interesting price of 8.97. I will obviously wait a little bit. I personally think right now with the inflation and all the news in the media, and also the overall EVs being still under pressure, I personally believe that EVs still have some sort of correction left. So this stock might still go a little bit down. I would be probably expecting it to further go down up to 7.8, 7.9. So $1 less are down from the current price. And then I will obviously upload on this stock massively. So this was my point of view on this EV related last mile company in the supply chain management sector. And if you guys have any question or any type of opinion or suggestion that I can consider, please put it in the comment and I will for sure look into it. In any case, I will see you guys in the next video, and please do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, because this will help my community of YouTube grow. Stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.